Well, today, in typical MOJO fashion, I've got to do some chicken wings because I forgot I had to do wings at Memphis and May. So I threw together this recipe just to see how it'd work out. And these babies are good. We've got a fighting chance. So, if you would, save this recipe. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up before you even watch it. And try it. Because these things will knock your socks off. And they're even pretty. Alrighty then. All we can do now is get to cooking them.
Head down to the market. Get you some of these whole wings. We're going to keep it whole with this cook. And all we're going to do is we're going to Lorraine and bob at this baby and just take off the tip. And that's it. That's all we're doing for prepping. So now let's get these things in a marinade. We're going to take us some MOJO barbecue, or whichever spice you love, and get about this much in the bag. I don't know how much that is, but it's a lot of sugar, so it ain't going to hurt nothing. Get you 2 limes, squeeze them in there, and add about 1/3 of a cup of avocado oil. Get it mixed around. Chunk them wings in there. Remember, just a tip. Once you get that in there, we're going to shake them around and get them fully coated. Zip it up. Almost. Get all the air out. Then completely zip it up. And let's stick it in the fridge. Let's say I got about 2 hours to do this. You go longer. I say 6 hours would be a good number. We're going to be cooking on the Weber because my outlaws are in Memphis on the river. Hopefully. Hope they're not in the pawn shop by now. Anyway, so we're going to cook on this Weber with some Fogo charcoal in the vortex. Throw them wings on there. We're going to go presentation side down first. And throw on a couple of chunks of cherry. Remember, cherry gives stuff good color, sweet smoke. We're going to run the vents wide open, so we're looking at about 500 degrees. 20 minutes in, we're going to give them a look. They're looking good. Guess we can go ahead and get them flipped over because we've got about 20 more minutes to go. That should be a good even cook. So let's get the lid back on. And here we have it. About 40 minutes total. You can see that meat's trying to jump out of that skin. Man, that's some bubbly goodness right there. Alrighty, let's get them off. Get them inside. Let's give you a temperature. I know how people like temperature because can't always go by time. So, we're looking at 200 degrees. I always take my wings to 201. That's a better number. So internal 200. External, we're looking, about 185. Alrighty, so now we gotta get us a sauce, glaze mixed up here. So we're gonna start out with 1 stick of butter, minus the wrapper. Get your favorite SRIRACHA sauce. Let's put in, let's say 1/4 cup and a smidgen. And to knock off a little bit of that, we're gonna get some sweetness. We're going to do about 1/3 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, the zest of 2 limes, the juice of those 2 limes, and let's see, for some saltiness, let's go 2 tablespoons of soy, and for some umami flavor, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. That's it. Let's get her good and warm. Pour into a vessel that a little more easy to manage. Let's get it poured on these wings. Just like this. Excuse me, my pans are all with my cookers. Like I said, hopefully not the pawn shop. So let's get these things rolled around, get them coated good, and get them back on. First, I forgot to taste this sauce, see if it needed anything. Oh, shoot. I could almost eat my fingers. That's how good this is. Anyway, let's hurry up and get this back on the grill for about 5 minutes because I'm ready to eat these babies. Here we go. Here's how you do it. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the grill. Go about 5 minutes. Get them off. And here's what you have. Now, these things have got a little tacky. So we've got the sauce for the judges to taste. And being that they're wings, hot wings, they need to be messy. So we're going to go back and give them a little bit more wetness. Oh yeah, I'm going to flex a little. If y'all didn't know, my wife is also a world champion she won poultry at Memphis and May. So if y'all leave her a comment and tell her how pretty she is, she might come do that recipe for us. So, all that's left now is the tasting. I hate to do it to you, but we are. We're going to pop it open. Man, you can just see the moisture in that meat. And the tenderness, really, you can see that too. And this is good. You've got the tanginess with the lime, the heat from the sriracha, sweetness from the honey. Everything a man needs in a chicken wing. That's it. Like I said, we got a good shot at this one. It is good. So, I gotta get down the river. I'm hoping maybe I'll see you here in about a couple weeks. And I appreciate y'all watching. As always, I love you. Mojo out.